Hi everyone, I'm M. Shubhashri from 10B to talk about geographical conditions of Jammu and Kashmir. Geographically, the region falls into three regions: Jammu, the Kashmir Valley, and Ladakh. The vegetation is very thin and comprised of thorny bushes and watercourses. Its summer capital is Srinagar and winter capital is Jammu. Jammu is the winter capital of the Indian Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. It is the headquarters and the largest city in Jammu district of the Union Territory. Lying on the banks of the river Tavi, the city of Jammu, with an area of 240 km square, is surrounded by the Himalayan in the north and the northern plains in the south. Jammu is the second most populous city of the Union Territory. The climates of the various regions of Jammu and Kashmir are influenced mainly by position and altitude. In the Vale of Kashmir, the summers are fresh and the nights are brisk. While Kashmir is affected by the monsoons, Ladakh is never touched by the monsoons. The best season to visit Jammu and Kashmir is between September and April. Now, let us see about its precipitation temperature in summer and winter. Average summer temperature of Jammu and Kashmir is 29.6 degrees Celsius and average winter temperature of Jammu Kashmir is 17.17 degrees Celsius. Jammu, like the rest of northwestern India, features a humid subtropical climate with extreme summer highs reaching 46 degrees Celsius and temperatures in the winter months occasionally falling below 4 degrees Celsius. June is the hottest month with average highs of 40.6 Celsius, while January is the average highs of 40.6 degree. In winter, dense smoke causes much inconvenience and temperature even drops to 2 degrees Celsius. Jammu is located at 32.70 north, 74.87 east. It has an average elevation of 300 meter. Jammu city lies at even uneven ridges of low heights at the Shivalik hills. It is surrounded by the Shivalik range to the north, east and southeast while the Trikuta range is alone. The city spreads around the Tavi River, with the old city overlooking it from the north, while the neighborhood spread down around the southern side of the river. There are four main seasons in Jammu and Kashmir. They are summer, spring, autumn, and winter. The Jammu region has a subtropical climate and the summer is hot. The temperature starts soaring in the month of March and it is peak in the month of April. The maximum temperature in summer can go as high as 45 degrees Celsius. Kashmir is quite pleasant with the temperature varying from 14 to 30 degrees Celsius. This is the climate graph of Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir. Here the precipitation, maximum temperature, minimum temperature, wet days, average wind speed, relative humidity, average temperature, average sunlight per hour per day and day length have been calculated. Sont, spring from 21st March to middle of the May. Grism, summer from May to middle of the July. Varhat, rainy from July to middle of September. Harad, autumn from September to November. Van, winter from November to January. Sheshur, very cool from January to March. An ecosystem approach towards inclusive growth in mountains. Instances of lake and river ecosystem in Kashmir.